Managing Agile projects remotely can be challenging, but the right tools make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top Agile project management tools for remote teams, helping you stay organized, productive, and aligned.
First up is Jira, perfect for technical teams, especially in software development. With support for both Scrum and Kanban methodologies, advanced backlog management, and seamless integration with tools like GitHub and Bitbucket, Jira offers robust reporting and analytics. However, its steep learning curve and complexity may overwhelm small or non-technical teams.
Next is Trello, ideal for small teams or non-technical projects. Its simple, visual Kanban boards and drag-and-drop interface make task management effortless. Power-ups add functionality like time tracking and calendar views. While Trello is easy to use and has a free tier, it lacks advanced features needed for large-scale projects.
For teams managing both agile and traditional projects, Asana shines. It offers task dependencies, timelines, and strong collaboration features like file sharing and comments. Asana's intuitive interface makes it versatile, though it can get expensive for larger teams and lacks deep customization for agile-specific workflows.
If flexibility and automation are priorities, consider Monday.com. This tool allows you to create custom boards for agile workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and track time and resources effectively. While highly adaptable, Monday.com can be pricey for smaller teams, and some features may require a learning curve.
Looking for an all-in-one solution? ClickUp combines task management, documentation, goal setting, and time tracking all in one place. Supporting Scrum, Kanban, and other agile methodologies, ClickUp is highly customizable and affordable. That said, its feature-rich interface might feel overwhelming for some users.
Finally, for enterprises using Microsoft ecosystems, Azure DevOps is a powerful choice. It provides comprehensive agile planning, integrates seamlessly with GitHub and other Microsoft tools, and includes built-in CI/CD pipelines for software development. However, it's best suited for large, tech-focused teams familiar with Microsoft products.
With so many options available, choosing the right tool depends on your team's size, workflow preferences, and budget. Whether you're managing sprints, backlogs, or collaborating across time zones, these tools will help you deliver value consistently. For more insights, check out our detailed blog post on top Agile project management tools for remote teams.